All right. Disney is at $178.69 with a market cap of 323.52 billion. And we're staying steady at this new level. I think the days of 130s and 140s are dead unless something seriously happens with the pandemic. But right now Disney is just on a tear. They're not slowing down. Things are just looking better and better. And in today's news, Disney stock gets an upgrade as former bearer says his call was dead wrong. So, Lightshed Partners analyst Richard Green upgraded Disney stock to neutral from sell on Friday, writing that the company is making strong strides in streaming that position the company as the only media company that is capable of competing with Netflix and the tech giants. So he or downgraded his view on Disney due to the pandemic, and he gave it a sell because obviously it was focused hurting due to the parks, and now he's changing it from neutral. Frankly, I think this is kind of a BS article. I mean, how are you gonna say Disney is at a neutral buy right now when they have they've shifted their gears to focus on their streaming platform because they know the parks are affected due to this whole pandemic. Like nobody ever thought this would happen. It's happened, and they realized they're going to lose billions and billions of dollars, and it's not a good sign. So they kind of need to diversify, and they have, and they are just killing it. To If you've watched my videos before, you'll see that I've always talked about them in the $100 to $130 range, and I've always had faith in Disney. I think it is definitely a buy, in my opinion. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but just look at the facts. Look at the data. Look at how much it's gone up. Look at how much they're investing in Disney Plus. Look at how much they're investing in Hotstar and getting their streaming to potentially have what I think the last time I said this they were going to hit like 250 million or 350 million. That's insane numbers. So please, stay on top of this kind of stuff. Uh, it's great that we got upgraded. I think he's kind of being a little too reserved on his opinion, but that's his opinion. I just want you to be aware that upgrades are happening. Even just a upgrade from a sell to a neutral is big in the finance world. When analysts are doing that, that's a good sign. That means that Disney's doing something right, they're making money, and you know what? Stay on top of it, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.